Hello, friends! Let's learn the alphabet together. This is the letter A. A. This is an apple. A is for apple. This is the letter B. B. This is a ball. B is for ball. This is the letter C. C. This is a cat. C is for cat. This is the letter D. D. This is a dog. D is for dog. This is the letter E. E. This is an elephant. E is for elephant. Great! This is the letter F. F. This is a fish. F is for fish. This is the letter G. G. This is a giraffe. G is for giraffe. This is the letter H. H. This is a hat. H is for hat. This is the letter I. I. This is an ice cream. I is for ice cream. This is the letter J. J. This is a juice. J is for juice. Next letter. This is the letter K. K. This is a key. K is for key. This is the letter L. L. This is a lion. L is for lion. This is the letter M. M. This is a monkey. M is for monkey. This is the letter N. N. This is a nose. N is for nose. This is the letter O. O. This is an orange. O is for orange. Awesome! This is the letter P. P. This is a pencil. P is for pencil. This is the letter Q. Q. This is a queen. Q is for queen. This is the letter R. R. This is a rabbit. R is for rabbit. This is the letter S. S. This is a sun. S is for sun. This is the letter T. T. This is a tree. T is for tree. Let's continue. This is the letter U. U. This is an umbrella. U is for umbrella. This is the letter V. V. This is a violin. V is for violin. This is the letter W. W. This is a watermelon. W is for watermelon. This is the letter X. X. This is a xylophone. X is for xylophone. This is the letter Y. Y. This is a yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. This is the letter Z. Z. This is a zebra. Z is for zebra. Great job! Thanks for learning with me. See you in the next video.